This is Armando from Lozano's Diamond Jewelry. Here is a emerald cut. Look at this baby. I'm gonna send it over to you, Ty. Look at this. This is a GIA stone. I haven't really talked too much about that, but there's different labs. GIA is the most prestige. Depending on the type of stone it is, like a lab grown, they're going to use IGI. But if you could get a lab grown in GIA, it's kind of a niche. So I try to sell lab growns in GIA because nobody has those. So that's a 2.73. We can leave that out. We can put this baby out. Let me show the camera. Look at this baby. Dropped one earlier. Now, speaking of that, yes, they do break. Diamonds are so hard. I'll give you a good explanation. A diamond is so hard that it will break. And an example, let's take jade for an example. Jade is tough. Jade is like your belt. A belt is tough. You could drop it, right? You could drop a piece of jade because it's tough. But you can't drop a diamond because it's hard. You could chip it. So you got to be careful with diamonds. We polish diamonds here. If you need a diamond polish, look at your girdle. Go around and look at the whole diamond. If it's chipped, you got to get it repolished because it's going to keep chipping. So we're hoping to see you guys here. And here's a cushion shape. This one's 2.11. And it's a GVVS2. Look at that. 2 carat. So, for you guys that are like, well, yeah, he's showing us all this stuff, but how much do they cost? Why should I go see him, right? I think you should go see him because he's going to give you a good price, but it depends on which one you want. I could tell you this one's, $8,000 and it's not the one you want. You got to tell me which one you want, but, if it's going to be a below ground diamond like this one, then it's going to be 20-some thousand. So you got to make up your mind what you want, lab grown or you want mined diamonds from underground. Below ground and above ground is what we call them. And then you got to figure out which cert you want. Do you want a GIA cert? Do you want an EGL cert? Or do you want an IGI certification? So that's an important thing to know, what type of diamond certification you want. And don't get too hung up on what lab cert it is, because it's a passport, right, for your diamond. It is important, but, it's art. It's beauty. It's about the beauty of the diamond. Look at it close up. Does it look beautiful, right? Is the diamond going to look really, really nice? That's what's really important, is how good does it look, right? Here's a beautiful oval. Ovals are really hot right now. Everybody wants